Hi everyone. A lot of you have asked about how to download satellite images. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download satellite image from USGS. Search for USGS Earth Explorer. So USGS stands for United States Geological Survey, and they provide Landsat 8 and Landsat 5 and 7 image. Today I will just show you how to download a Landsat 7 Landsat 8 image. And for your final project, if you want to do land use and land cover classification, you can use Landsat 8 for the analysis of land use and land cover change, and you can also use Landsat 5. Landsat 8 has higher resolution, Landsat 5 has lower resolution. But if you consider areas years like from 2000 to 2015, you should use Landsat 5. And if you consider analyzing Landsat and land use and land cover change for from year 2015 to 2024, then you should use Landsat 8. So okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to download satellite image. So at first you have to search your study area. So here I will choose place and or address. So let's search for Kalamazoo. You can search your study area. It has world global coverage. So basically you can download data for any places in the world, and then click show. So I'll have two address. I will choose one. Okay, and then I want to download data for 2016 for I want to download data from April 1st to April 3rd. And then I will go for cloud cover. So make sure the data you download has lower cloud cover, because if it has higher cloud cover, then it will be the accuracy of land use and land cover change will be lower. So make it less than 10%, 12%, or fine. And then go to data set. So I will choose Landsat 8 here, Landsat 8, and then go for additional criteria. So you can choose a lot of things here, but for land use and land cover change, I don't think we need any of these to make it. So just click on result. Here I can see a lot of we got a lot of images, but we do not know the cloud cover. So what I would do, I would check metadata. But before going to metadata, I want to show you that if you choose any study area and then you want to show if the image covers your study area, then you will click here, and then you will see if your study area is within the image. And then if not, then you have to choose a different. And then I'm gonna see if the metadata of this image. So it says the cloud cover is 0.10, which is very less. So this is a really good image. And then I will download this. So click download option. You can download individual band if you want, but I would say let's download all of them, and then we can use whatever you need. Click on download, and then it will take some time to download depending on the internet speed. So this is how you will download satellite image, and on the next video I will show you how to do land use and land cover classification. So if you want to get notification from the um, notification, then you can subscribe this channel and you will get notified when I upload a new video. And I will also send you an email uh, sending the with the link of this video. Then you can, so you can see this is downloading, so it will take some time. Thank you so much for watching, and